How would you like to make money online without having to have a website? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could do exactly that with affiliate marketing. But what I need you to do first is hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for me so I can keep creating content like that for you. And those of you that are new here, my name is Austin. We talk all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So if you're new and you don't know what affiliate marketing is by now, affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product and you receive a commission on every purchase that is made via your affiliate link. So I'm going to dive into that and I'm going to show you how you can do that without a website, because I know you're probably asking, well, how do you do this without a website or without a social following or something like that? And I'm going to show you how you could use other people's like articles and stuff like that, rewrite them and use those on social platforms that are new, that you've never heard of, that are just now growing traction, that are still getting like over 5 million views per month. So let's look on my computer screen right now. You see Google. So in the Google search bar, we're just going to type in, we're going to type something in like photography tips. So I'm using those words just because it's a niche I chose to do for this video. I haven't even done this research, but you want to pick a niche. And then when I mean pick a niche, you want to pick a category. It could be camping, it could be photography, it could be health, like keto diets, weight loss, anything of that nature, something you want to get into. So let's just use photography for this example. And you see there's a lot of like articles and stuff on here, top 20 photography tips for beginners. Let's just click this. So here's an article a little bit about photography. So I'm going to use some information from here, but before we get into that, I'm going to talk about how you could receive the commissions from partnering with affiliate programs. So real quick, I want you to jump over to a website known as Kit. So it's kit.co. So this could seem a little overwhelming at first. I'm about to slow down, and as long as you do this with me step by step, you'll have a better understanding of how this works and how you can do this without a website. So over here on kit.co, it allows you, if you take a look right here, you can see this guy's name is Andrew, and he has a homeowner kit. He has 12 products in this kit. So he could drive traffic to this kit of products. Vlog Life has 13 products. But you can see these people, the thrifty gaming streaming. So this guy is a gamer. Harris is a gamer. He's an expert streamer. He got 85,000 views on this kit, which means 85,000 people clicked his link to look at this kit. And this kit has 8 products in it, which means if anybody comes in here, this is what his little kit looks like. We're going to exit this. If anybody clicks these products, he will receive a commission. Here it says view on Amazon. So what you're essentially doing is you're integrating your Amazon affiliate account or your eBay affiliate account or your Newegg affiliate account with Kit. So anytime somebody comes through here and clicks on any of these products and makes a purchase on Amazon, he receives his full commission that is paid out by Amazon for him to have this. This is a place for him to create his own free storefront per se for his affiliate links. So, but you can see he's at over 85,000 people come to this kit. Just imagine if 10% of those people bought, 10% of 85,000 to $8,500, and these are very expensive pieces. So his commission's got to be somewhat decent through the sales. So enough about that. What you need to do is click sign up. You can sign up with Twitter, it's a click. Sign up with Facebook, it's a click. Sign up with email, super simple. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick, and then we'll be right back. All right. As you can see, I am signed in here. It's loading up right now. So what you would essentially do, once it loads, whatever, I'm loaded. What's up, Austin Becker? On the top right-hand side, let's go ahead and start with the settings real quick. You would hit edit profile, hit monetize on the top of the profile right here. And this is where you input your affiliate codes. This will be for your affiliate ID. Like you'll put your US tracking ID for Amazon, your B&H Photo, eBay, Newegg, and Flipkart. And then if you have any questions, you can reach out to them. How do I get paid? Obviously, they have articles, how do I get paid? Any monetization through affiliate codes in your profile will be paid directly to you from the respective affiliate program. So if it's Amazon, Amazon will pay you. So that's very clear to say. Let's go ahead and exit off of this and go back to Kit. And let's go back to the home page. Actually, it doesn't matter. On the top right-hand side, you'll see a plus button. This is where you'll create a kit. So create a new kit. And we're in photography, so we're just going to say Pro Photography Set. I just made that up. Obviously, do a little bit. Describe your new kit. The best YouTube setup for creators. Something like that, right? And I'm going to hit next. Super simple to do. So now check this out. You can search for a product. If you already tied your affiliate ID into the initial monetization tab that I taught you how to do, then all you literally have to do is search for a product. So we're going to put like Canon. I use a Canon camera and see if it populates a product. You'll see it populates a bunch of products right now. I should have put the product I wanted, but for example, I just typed Canon. You could scroll through here, or you could type in exactly what you want. Let's say the Canon EOS Rebel is the one I want to use. I can just hit add. And then this is the product name. What is the story about the product? You can put a little bit of description. And then if you want to put a description, I'm not gonna do it right now. And then you can just hit add to kit. Let it add, and then I'm gonna show you another way to add a product. So you added a product. So, or you could paste the link. So if you have the affiliate link, if you go into your Amazon account, your affiliate account, and you get that Amazon affiliate link, you could literally just paste it right here. Copy it from over there, paste it right here. Same with eBay, Newegg, whatever you got your product links from, and you just paste them here. But you could just use the search bar if you set up your monetization like I showed you the very first step. If that is set up, this will automatically integrate with Amazon and them. So all you have to do is search for it, which I much prefer. So I'm going to put Joby, I think it's Y. Let me just type Joby and see what pops up. Yep, Joby GorillaPod. That is what I have my camera sitting on that I'm talking to right now. So I promote this. I'm just going to hit add. I'm not going to put anything right there right now. I'm going to hit add to kit. And then obviously you'll want to add the more products you have in your kit, the more opportunity for you to make more money. So because if people click those products, obviously you want them to make sense. I used a camera. Well, you can't really have a camera without a tripod, right? So I got the tripod, and that's a desk mounted tripod. So I have another 6 foot mounted tripod over here for it to stand on the ground. So I would probably promote that. The microphone I'm speaking into, I would promote that. So you would build your whole store, and once you're done, you just hit done, and then it says gorgeous kit, ready to share it. So Pro Photography Set, check out my latest kit, and then you'll just hit, yeah, check out my kit, whatever, and then you could turn it all on. I'm just gonna hit share later. You're all set and ready to make money, hitting the things, and now you can see this is my store. It looks just like the other person's that we saw. You could add more products. You can make it look better. Obviously add a description over here and everything as you grow your store, but eventually you'll want to share your kit. So when you want to share this kit, again, edit this kit, add products, share this kit, you could have your link right here, or embed this kit. Nope. No, that's the embed. You can share it, copy link to share, and then you'll just copy your link. Anytime this link is copied, if I just open up a new window, if I paste that link there, it will bring them straight here to my page. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do I get traffic to this link, right? Everybody wants to know how to get traffic. There's plenty of ways to get traffic. You could go to forums and blogs and stuff, and you could just provide value. But let's go back to our original conversation where we talked about these articles, right? Whenever I think of a useful photography tip, I always write it down. So whatever, I would just roll through here. Lens. So if I was to obviously read this, I'm not going to read this, and I just clicked an article, but let's just say this was, use the camera you already have. Camera is not, say this was a good little topic that I liked and I wanted to use it. But obviously I don't want to plagiarize or copy somebody else's information. So I go through articles, I find something I want, and I'm going to copy it, right? So once I copy somebody's article that I kind of like, it resonates with my kit and what I'm trying to promote, I'll copy it, and I'll go over to a website called spinbot.com. It does article spinning. So what it does is it rewrites the article for you. So you literally just paste it in here. You'll want to click I'm not a robot, and then you'll want to hit go, and it's going to rewrite the article. So it says camera gear is not all that important. It changed it to camera gear isn't too significant. There are incalculable cameras, focal points, and different extras available. There are countless cameras, lenses, and others. So it's totally different. Totally different. You didn't even have to write it, but it's totally yours. So now all you have to do is copy all of this, and this is going to be your little article, right? So now you were like, okay, well, where do I post this article? You could post it on any social platform. One of my favorite being TikTok. But I'm going to show you a new platform that I mentioned at the beginning of this video that it gets over 5 million views per month currently and is still relatively new. It's a social media platform known as Parler.com. So you go over there, they have an app for it, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to join Parler. Today, you'll want to create a new account, but if you just look at it, real conversational, the world's premier free speech platform, everybody could totally just post their own content on here, just like Facebook and other platforms. So just create a new account. If you don't have one, you'll want to do all that and then hit agree, and then you'll want to create your account and sign in. So I'm going to sign in real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, so when you get into your Parler account, it'll look something like this. If you're new, you could go over to like your news feed and everything like that if you want right here. It'll look like other people's, it's just like Facebook and stuff. But right here, you're gonna wanna put what's new. And I'm gonna want to, or you're gonna want to, go over here and get your, go back to your Spinbot, grab your article and just come post it in your Parler. You'll want to also, so I scrolled back to the top. I'm going to want to put something here with my affiliate link, right? So I'm going to put my favorite photography gear, right? Oops, it looks like I have too many characters. So it says right there how many characters are remaining. Obviously, so I need to shorten this a little bit. So I'm just going to shorten this like this for now. And then you don't want your article to be too big. I'm going to write my favorite photography gear or something like that. And then you'll want to go back to your kit on the right hand side, click copy link to share, and then go back to Parler. And you'll want to paste that link in there. Once that link is in there, you are ready to parlay your message. You can also add a GIF if you want to add a GIF. Obviously, mine would be in the photography niche. I would use something like this maybe. It's probably just got too big though because of the fact that I didn't have any more room. So let's just delete that. But once it's done, I could just hit parlay, just like posting success. As soon as your parlay is done being processed, we'll send it out into the world. Everybody will see it that views this. And if they go purchase anything from my kit, you or me will receive a commission when they do so from your Amazon or eBay or whatever integration you have set up. So as always, if you want more training on affiliate marketing in general, check out the link in the description for a full affiliate marketing training and mentorship opportunity. That'll be the first link in the description below. If you like this, guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. Please smash that like button to help the algorithm, to help more people see this, and obviously to help me grow my YouTube channel. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.